What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Oppo Reno 8T 5G smartphone that comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps. For pictures we got the portrait mode, night mode and the panorama mode, and for videos we got the time-lapse video recording and the dual view video recording that captures the images from the front camera and rear camera at the same time. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use the Oppo Reno 8T 5G smartphone for taking selfies or videos, then how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.